How can we cultivate a better relationship between nature and humanity?
The relationship between humanity and nature is something that has to be cultivated through intention and understanding. We need to come to terms with our intrinsic interconnection with the natural world by recalibrating our perception of ourselves and our relationship to nature. Taking small steps, such as conserving energy, reducing waste, and planting trees, can go a long way in cultivating this better relationship. But most importantly, we need to foster an attitude within ourselves of being a part of the natural environment rather than separate from it. As individuals, we can commit to cultivating a better relationship between nature and humanity by taking daily actions that are in line with our values and help create a sustainable future. I'm on the hunt for some thought-provoking questions to answer in future videos, either about this video or something new. Just post them in the comments below. One question per comment. Your question could become my next video.